Ever wonder if you could actually build a real business just from your laptop using a few simple AI prompts? Well, today we're going to look at 5 business ideas that are doing exactly that. We're talking people making tens of thousands of dollars every single month. And yeah, we're going to show you exactly how they're pulling it off.
Yeah, $80,000 a month. I know it sounds kind of crazy, right? Like an impossible number. But some of these AI-powered businesses are actually hitting that, and even more. And you know what the most exciting part is? The barrier to entry, the thing that used to stop people, it has literally never been lower than it is right now.
So that's the big question, isn't it? Can a few simple AI prompts really build a business like this? Well, the answer seems to be a huge yes. And in this explainer, we're not just going to talk about theories. Nope, we're going to show you the exact tools, the workflows, and yeah, even the prompts people are using to build these things from scratch.
Okay, so here's what we've got on tap. We're diving into AI-powered language lessons, UGC influencers, niche novels, print-on-demand stores, and those viral videos you see everywhere. And stick around, because at the end, we're going to tie it all together and show you what makes all of these so powerful. All right, first up, AI language lesson empires. This is all about using AI to create language lesson podcasts and then just uploading them to YouTube. It sounds super simple, I know, but the results are absolutely staggering. People are just flocking to these channels because it's a fun, conversational way to learn a new language.
And get this, a channel that's only 7 months old is already pulling in up to $32,000 a month. What's so wild here is the speed. We're not talking about some established brand. This is a brand new channel, and in just 7 months, it's getting over 4 million views every single month. I mean, that is just a recipe for some serious cash.
And here's the real game changer. Just look at this chart. If you wanted to make a traditional podcast episode, you could be out hundreds of dollars, easy, maybe even $500. But with AI, we are talking about $2.50. The massive financial risk that used to stop so many people from even starting, it's pretty much gone.
So how do you actually build this content machine? It's a surprisingly simple 3-step process. First, you use a tool called Wondercraft to generate the script and the audio. Then you hop over to an AI image generator like Nano Banana Pro to create your podcast hosts. And finally, a super simple video editor like Clipchamp pulls it all together with captions. It is an incredibly efficient way to just pump out content.
Okay, idea number 2 takes us over to social media. We're talking about the UGC AI influencer. UGC stands for user-generated content, and basically, these are AI-created videos that are designed to look like real, authentic customer ads. And they are crazy effective for promoting products, especially on a platform like TikTok. And the potential here is just explosive. Check out this number, over $21,000. That's the estimated sales from just 2 of these AI videos in less than 2 weeks. It's just proof of how powerful this kind of content is when it hits that viral sweet spot. And the process to make these, it's incredibly straightforward. Step 1, you generate a high-quality image of an influencer holding your product. Then step 2, you use an AI video tool, something like VO3 or Kling, to animate that image. And boom, you've got a short, super shareable video clip. Okay, so how do you actually turn these videos into money? Well, you've got 2 main paths you can take. First is the TikTok affiliate program, which is great for direct commissions, but you need at least 1,000 followers and it's not available everywhere. The other route, which I think is pretty cool, is Shopify dropshipping. There's no follower minimum and you have total control over your profits right from the start.
And for anyone who's not familiar with dropshipping, here's the quick and dirty version. It's a model where you're basically the middleman. You set up a store, you list a product for sale, a customer buys it from you at your price, and then you just turn around and pay the supplier to ship it directly to them. The best part, you never have to touch or store any of the inventory yourself.
All right, now for a really fascinating one, writing niche AI novels. This is all about using AI to write and publish books for these super specific audiences on Amazon Kindle. And just think about it for a second. Before AI, trying to write for a tiny niche was a huge gamble. Now, writers can just explore and test out these unique markets with almost zero risk. And the results can be absolutely mind-blowing. Take a look at this. A single ebook in the, wait for it, hockey romance niche. Yeah, you heard that right. This isn't some bestseller from a household name, but by targeting a really passionate, specific audience, it's estimated to be making up to $1,736 per day, every single day. And you know what the best part is? You can do this whole thing for free.
Seriously, you can use a tool like Perplexity for research, Claude to help write the chapters, Nano Banana Pro to design an awesome cover, and then Amazon's own Kindle Create software to format it. The entire playbook, completely free.
Okay, let's move on to idea number 4, AI print-on-demand stores. The concept is pretty simple. You use AI to generate unique designs for stuff like t-shirts, mugs, whatever. And then you sell them on places like Etsy or Amazon. And just like dropshipping, you never have to hold any inventory.
So just how big can this get? Well, this number, $101,000, that's the estimated sales from one single t-shirt design that went viral on TikTok in just 1 month. It just shows you the insane power of catching a trend at the perfect moment.
And here's the playbook for that. You brainstorm niches and ideas with something like ChatGPT. You generate the actual design images with an AI tool. Then you can use a simple editor like Canva to enhance or upscale them. And finally, you list the products for sale using a service like Printify or Printful, and they handle everything else.
All right, our 5th and final idea is one I guarantee you've seen while scrolling on TikTok or YouTube. It's the viral Choose One video. You know the ones. These really simple AI-generated montages that get a crazy amount of engagement just by asking you to pick your favorite. And here is the absolutely incredible part: how much money you can make from just pure virality. A single 1-minute TikTok video that goes super viral can earn an estimated $15,000 to, well, over $100,000. We're talking life-changing money from a single upload that catches fire. In the process for creating these viral hits, again, it's surprisingly simple. You can brainstorm creative concepts with ChatGPT, like choose your crazy staircase or something fun. Then you generate a whole series of images with an AI image tool. And finally, you animate them into a video using something like VO3 or Kling. So there you have it. 5 very different business models, right? From YouTube channels to ebooks to t-shirts. But there's a really important common thread running through all of them. Let's break down what's really going on here. So what is that common thread? It really boils down to 3 things: speed, low cost, and niche domination. AI lets you create and test ideas at lightning speed, with almost no money down. This means you can go after these super specific, passionate audiences, these niches that were just impossible to serve profitably before. That's the core advantage. Look, at the end of the day, what all this really shows is that the tools to create amazing things are becoming more accessible and more powerful every single day. The tech is here and it's only getting better. So the only real question left is, AI provides the tools. What are you going to build with them?